Canzap Garage Door Repair Alhambra CA is here to help you with one of your garage door needs. We do replacements, installations, parts repair, maintenance, and more. If you want to find out more about everything we can perform for you personally, just please read on and you'll receive the information you're trying to find. We wish one to understand that only professionals need to do garage door related work. There are a variety of stuff that could go wrong when concentrating on a garage door, so you have to be careful. This is why you're going to desire to hire someone that knows anything they are accomplishing. You don't need to make the situation worse than it already is. If you make the issue worse, then it's likely to set you back more money over time to obtain it taken care of.